I'm 680 News senior business editor Mike Eppel. They were using words like unprecedented, record-breaking, most ever, all sorts of superlatives to talk about the energy trade today, where we saw the price for oil at one point overnight jump by as much as 19%, the biggest one-day increase on record, settled higher by about 11.5%. This market was shaken to the core following this drone attack on Saudi Arabia and two big production facilities there that could take out 5.7 million barrels of oil per day in the global energy system. That is the biggest impact ever from any geopolitical event in the Middle East. The Saudis aren't entirely sure when those operations will be back up and running. They're still trying to figure out exactly who did it, how to respond, and how long it's going to take to fix those facilities. The supply-demand balance right now is currently on the oversupplied part of the ledger. Nevertheless, it could swing back dramatically, and that was what we saw the market reacting to today. On Bay Street, the energy stocks were supercharged in reaction. Companies like Encana, for example, jumped by 14%. Suncor, Canada's biggest energy producer, up by more than 6% on the day. Purdue Pharma, the maker of OxyContin, has filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy protection, trying to get out from under the weight of billions of dollars in class action lawsuits filed now pretty much in every U.S. state. The company being sued for misleading advertising related to the risks for using that pain medication. Purdue Pharma is owned by the Sackler family. They're worth an estimated $13 billion. The talk is the tentative settlement would see a payment of about $3 billion over a 7-year time frame. And Bay Street set some more records today, fueled by that energy sector, as we saw the big energy producers jump dramatically. The TSX hitting a third day in a row for record highs. Meantime, on Wall Street, we saw the Dow snap an 8-day winning streak. And lots of focus this week on what the U.S. Central Bank will do with interest rates. That decision on interest rate policy will come on Wednesday. Expectation is the central bank will be cutting interest rates for the second meeting in a row. From the 680 Newsroom, I'm Mike Eppel for City News.